Hello Glam fam, welcome back to MBGE. Today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this smoky nude eyeshadow liner on red eyes, so stay with me. So what are hooded eyes? Hooded eyes are eye shapes that have little to no lid space. As you can see, my lid space is very little, and that is the hood line or the crease line, and the lid space is hiding under, much of the lid space is hiding under the hood. So right here I'm using a little bit of my foundation contour to just shape out what I want, shape out that wingy, vibe that I want. And then I'm blending it out right here. I'm making sure to blend it out very well so there is no creasing on the there is no creasing on the eye at the end of the day. I'm really making sure to blend it out, and I'm even taking another brush to blend out the edges and then wing it out, blending out the edges and winging it out. I'm using another brush to also blend out the edges to avoid a line of demarcation, any line of demarcation. Then I'm taking a brown eyeshadow and just using it to mattify that area where I applied my cream products, and then building it up to even more darker shade. You can build it up to whatever level you want it to get to, or however dark you want it to be. I'm just building up and building up and building up and building up and just building up the eyeshadow. Then I'm taking orangey kind of eyeshadow and using it as my nude, and can you see the way it just pops? Like it pops just a little and it's already popping. And I'm blending out the edges to avoid any line of demarcation, making sure to blend it all together. You don't want any creasing, you don't want any line of demarcation, you just want it all to blend seamlessly, guys, seamlessly. Going in with my gel liner, I'm just putting a little bit and blending it inward. You want to put a little bit so you can easily control it and not make a mess of it. And remember, it's a soft smoky winged liner kind of vibe that we are going for here. It's very pleasing on hooded eyes, trust me. And then I'm cleaning it with an eyeshadow. I am not using a concealer because using an eyeshadow is easy to blend off. Concealer would kind of like leave a mark there, and can you see the way it just sharpens it out? And I'm blending it, blending, and there you go, there you have it, the final outcome. Make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell, like this video, send in your nice comments, share to your family and friends. See you in my next video. Bye.